for the courts. I am confident now all these problems will be solved under the able leadership of Honorable Sri Justice Chandrachud, who is the head of our Indian judiciary family. To enhance and ensure quality in appointments. One of such recommendations, recent appointments. One of such recommendations, recent debate. At point number 8 of that report, it is marginalized sections of the society. Women and minorities in the higher judiciary, onus is on them to ensure adequate representation for those sections of society. In point number 2, one of the members of the parliamentary committee, Sri P. Wilson, is Rajya Sabha member from Tamil Nadu state. He is also one of the senior designated advocates. He made the observations saying that judicial diversity is fundamental to the quality of judging. This poor representation of many social groups may mean their rights are not being properly safeguarded and may eventually lead to the infringement and violation of their rights. People of this country are afraid that a very narrow, homogeneous group of judges belonging to certain classes will not reflect the views and value of the society as a whole, particularly on issues involving diverse cultural and generational matters, because they would require more perspectives as the judges would interpret and enforce law based on their own background. A more diverse judiciary is desirable because without one, the chances are greatly increased for violation of the rights on these underrepresented sections and could indirectly imply discrimination. He has forcefully advocated that diversity improve the quality of the judgments, and on the issue of merit as the sole criteria for the selection of judges, he has made the following observations. It has been observed that sometimes, in order to deny diversity at the bench, merit is used as proxy to justify the retention of a particular class or community of persons as judges. We are all know what is the meaning of merit. How they are assessing the merit. It has been observed that a judiciary that markedly failed to reflect the social composition of the nation possesses a serious constitutional change. A bench that reflects society is pivotal to fostering public confidence in the ability of the courts to make sound, responsible decisions. For the public to perceive our court system as impartial and accessible, the judiciary must reflect the diverse population affected by its decisions. On some levels, we have been aware all along that there are hidden biases surrounding the society. It explains why people would appreciate a bench that includes people more like them, who can appreciate their lived realities and listen with connections. As per the data provided by the government on the social status of the judges of the high courts and otherwise also, it can be seen that our higher judiciary suffers from a diversity deficit. The representation of SC, ST, OBC, women and minorities in the higher judiciary is far below the desired levels and does not reflect the social diversity of the country. In recent years, there has been a declining trend in representation from all the marginalized sections of Indian society. As per the data furnished by the Ministry of Justice to the Parliamentary Committee with regard to the social status of the High Court judges appointed since 2018, out of 600 judges appointed from 2008 to 2023, 600 judges, only 18 judges in the entire country from scheduled caste, 9 from the scheduled tribe. Only 72 out of 601 women judges. OB 72, women 92, minority 32. Though there is no provision for reservation in the judicial appointments at High Court and Supreme Court level, the committee feels that adequate representation of various sections of Indian society will further strengthen the trust, credibility and acceptability of the judiciary among the citizens. In fact, some members of the committee have demanded constitutional amendment for ensuring representation for marginalized sections. We have to see what will happen. These and few other such recommendations seeking social diversity criteria in judge appointments were placed before the Parliament now. This was based on the data which clearly shows these segments are very marginal in number. This is the one of the crucial issue which forums such as All India Lawyers Union need to discuss and thoroughly and send their resolutions to relevant authorities seeking consideration in the interest of society at large. I hope this meet will bring out healthy results and establish the great moral values in our legal fraternity, following the tenets and work culture of great jurists and judges of past such as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Justice Krishna and such other stalwarts. Some more issues your state convention has to discuss, in my opinion, is why in the rural area in provincial courts and district courts, number of efficient advocates are there, senior advocates. Why they are not considered for confirming senior status? Those advocates who are practicing only in the High Court, they are considered for confirmation of senior counsel. Why the efficient advocates working in the district courts and official courts are not considered? On that issue also, our state convention make deliberations and pass appropriate resolutions and send to the concern. One more thing is, why able and efficient advocates are available in the district courts, official courts? Why they are not considered for appointment of High Court judges? What is the reason? You all know. He is one of the, he proved himself, he is one of the outstanding judges of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. If opportunity is given for elevating as High Court judges to the advocates practicing in the martial areas also, more efficient judges will also be there. Bench brother, without bar there is no bench. Justice, former Chief Justice of India, Justice Bobde, on one occasion said, bar is the mother of the bench. If bar is good, then only bench will be good. When efficient advocates are available in the official courts, why they can't be considered for the bench? This also, in your discussions, you made deliberations and pass appropriate resolutions. If your organization accepts that. Moreover that, recently, because for last 3 months I am not here in Tamil Nadu, Whenever any WhatsApp message comes from advocate friends, I know what is going on. Vishakhapatnam Bar Association boycotted one day court. That resolution I saw. One advocate murdered here. Is your advocate? Advocate. Such type of atrocities and issues the advocates are facing in the entire country in several occasions. In your state convention, you also discuss about that issue and pass a resolution asking the state and central governments to pass appropriate legislation to protect the advocates from such type of incidents. When there is a disturbance and issues in the hospitals, doctors demanded the governments and they applied such type of orders. But the law interpreters, you have to provide law, but the advocates have no such protection here. On that issue also, you pass appropriate resolution. మరొకసారి